guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is the 30-day review of Foreo's The Bear. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, let's go ahead and get started. For those of you that don't know, I actually did a first impression and showed you how I used the Foreo. I have been using it now for probably close to 2 months now. And so I'm going to go over the Foreo and how it compares to the NUFACE, because I know that's what you're asking me. You're asking me that right now. So first, let's discuss, for those of you that don't know, what a microcurrent device is. What it does is create a microcurrent that helps to lift the muscles, tighten the muscles, build collagen, and it's a cumulative effect. So the more you use it, the more it works. Although, regardless of whether it's the Bear or the NUFACE, you're only supposed to use it once in a 24-hour period. So that's how a microcurrent device works. I have done multiple videos on the NUFACE because I've used that for years. This one here, let me just I will compare the two for you, but let me just, for those of you that are watching for the first time, let me just go over some of the features of the Bear. First of all, they have a Bear and they have a mini Bear. The difference is this one has 5 intensity levels. The mini has 3 intensity levels, and it is more for a targeted area, where this is for all over the face. This also has an app, so when you get it, you can download the app, and all you do is push the button. It tells you exactly, it takes 5 seconds, and you can follow along with the lady. I have done that in my first video, so if you want to see that, I will show it to you. The whole routine was 2 minutes, and I thought to myself, there's no way 2 minutes is going to do anything, but it did, because I, of course, took before and after pictures, and it did. This time around, I created a routine that I have used with NUFACE, and I bypassed the app this time around. The benefit of this one also is there is an on-off, so you can see that I turned it on, and if I click here, you can see that it goes from 1 to 5 levels of intensity. And if you listen, there is a vibration. You can take that off by double clicking, and now you just have the intensity without the T-sonic vibration, and that's what that is. Let me turn this off. And so the benefit of the T-sonic pulsations, it extends deeper into the pores, which increases circulation, gets rid of toxins. That results in smoother, softer, glowier skin. At least that's what they say. The other thing, so that is something that you can have on or off, and you can manually turn this on and off, change the settings with regards to intensity, and manually turn on the T pulsation or off, and you can also do it on the app itself. Routine online is 2 minutes. As I said, that's what I did for the first week or two, and then more recently I have increased my routine. So let me just show you real quickly. I'm not gonna actually do it, but I'm gonna go, it will shut off after 2 minutes. So I will do 2 minutes going this way, on this side of my face, 2 minutes on this side, 2 minutes on the forehead, 2 minutes on to the jaw and the neck, 2 minutes on this side, 2 minutes lifting and plumping those nasolabial folds, and then 2 minutes lifting the eye on each side. So I've increased, I think it adds up to 12 to 14 minutes. So super simple. What I love is that it does just shut off. The minute you turn it back on, wherever you left off, the intensity, and whether or not you had the T-sonic pulsation on, it will stay that way. The charge has a little port right here. I have yet to charge this. I don't know how that's possible, but it's true. I have yet to charge it. So it just goes forever. It's so tiny and it goes forever and ever. So I love it. Now let's talk about NUFACE. For those of you, I've done many videos. If you want to see before and afters with the NUFACE, there is a whole playlist. There is no app involved with this. It's an on-off, and it has 4 levels of intensity. With both, I used the highest level of intensity. This is the Trinity, and there is a mini. The difference is the same amount of microcurrent is with both of them. The Trinity has the removable head. So you pop this off and you can put in different, that hurt. You can take the head off and put on different attachments. So there's an L attachment for your eyes and lips that I have tried and I find no value in it. That's just me. And then there is also a red light attachment that I've never tried. As far as charging, this is the base, much bigger. This is the profile. This is at least 2 times as big. This is so tiny and so powerful. It's kind of funny. The heads themselves are about the same size. If you're looking at the top of the heads, the part that touches your skin, these ones on the Bear are bigger. If you're looking at the profile, these ones are big, kind of evens out. Now, do they both work? Absolutely, 100%. How do they compare? It's going to be preference. Honestly, because they're both great. I've, like I said, I've had this one for years and years, and I have now used this one for the last couple months, I think. And it's been about 2 months, and it works great. I do like a couple features. The charge on this is just phenomenal. I like the profile, super easy to throw in your bag when you're going on vacation. So there's no need to not be able to carry it, where this is what you have to carry. Don't get me wrong, that's not a horrible thing, but I'm just talking preference, side by side. It does have an app, which I like. I like gadgets like that. But after the first few times, it was like, okay, I'm gonna do my own thing now because I want more, right? I want more. And they are supposed to download more programs into the app, so that's great. But it's a great little device. It works as well. One is not better than the other. Truthfully, they both work beautifully. If we're doing a side-by-side comparison and you ask me which I would choose, I would say that you can't go wrong with either. Personally, I would not get the Trinity unless you are planning on changing out the heads, and I see no reason to do it, personally. So if we're talking about the mini NUFACE or the Foreo Bear, they're both excellent. I would say this edges out the NUFACE slightly because of a couple things. Most specifically, probably the size. I like the size. The charge, it holds a longer charge. And I like the app feature, especially if they come up with more. They're supposed to come up with routines for your eye and stuff like that. I've created my own, but it would be nice to see what they would recommend. So I love this. Now let's talk about the serum. Here's another thing. Let's compare the serums. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I'm going to. This is the serum that Foreo says to use with it. You need a conductivity gel of some sort to use either one. Foreo's serum, I'm going to show you. Look how much I've used. That's it. I'm going to tell you probably why. Well, first of all, the ingredients in here, the 2 powerhouse ingredients are hyaluronic acid and squalene. They are microcapsulated. So if you look closely, there's these little microcapsulated little beads in here. And I think that's why you don't have to use as much. With NUFACE, I will put the gel on this side only, because if I put it all over here, by the time I get to this side's dried out, and it will not glide, and it will zap. It will zap. When I put this on, I put it all over the bottom half of my face, and I do my entire face. And then I'll put a little on the forehead and do the forehead. And I think because it's encapsulated, it stays on longer. You don't need as much of it. And so you're not using as much. I don't even know how long this will last me. I guess I will tell you. It will last a very, very long time, which is great. So you really just don't need a whole lot, and it doesn't dry out. It just glides right over both sides of my face, the neck, everything. It's kind of amazing. You don't need very much. With regards to the NUFACE, the gel that they sell does have hyaluronic acid in it, but that's really the only super ingredient, if you will, which is still good. It used to be you used to have to wash it off. Now they have a leave-on one, which was smart of them, because you leave this on, you pat it in, and you go about your business. So NUFACE did change, and they have a leave-on one. But again, that one I don't use. When I use the NUFACE, I use an aloe vera gel. This one I like. So now if I were to use, I would use this. It's one of those things. I definitely like the serum in this one because it lasts a really long time. Because if you're going to pay for something and it's only going to last you a month, that's not a lot, right? And the only super ingredient in it really is hyaluronic acid. You're not getting a whole lot of bang for your buck. In this one, you're just getting a little bit more bang for your buck. Pictures, that's always super helpful, right? Okay, before and after pictures. This is before and after. So does the Foreo Bear work? Yes. Yes, microcurrent device works. The NUFACE works. You can't go wrong with either one. All right, guys, so that's it for my 30-day plus review of the Foreo Bear. If you like this video and videos like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.